My name is Patrick and I'm the co-founder of Lanifra. On today's LP Minute, I'm going to talk about how liquidated damages can backfire. Liquidated damages are when the parties agree in advance that if there's a breach of contract and it's hard to calculate the damages, then the party which didn't follow the agreement is going to pay the other side a reasonable, fixed amount of money. This can put the party which suffered the loss in a bad spot if this fixed amount is too small or this remedy is used in the wrong way. For example, let's say a Boomerang manufacturer buys $1 million conveyor belt to move cutting-edge boomerangs around its plant in only seconds. The contract says that for every few seconds the conveyor belt is slower, the seller will pay a percentage of the purchase price as liquidated damages, maxing out at 10% regardless of the speed. Unfortunately, the seller's equipment was built for moving artisan cupcakes, and it's no secret that artisan cupcakes do not move at lightning speed. As a result, the timing is way off. The buyer now has a practically useless conveyor belt. It spent $1 million, and it lost out on a market opportunity. But the liquidated damages clause, which the buyer thought was protecting it and incentivizing the seller, now actually limits the seller's liability to $100,000. This has been your LP Minute, which has hopefully been helpful but is not legal advice. Watch a few more, hit the like button, and demo our software. Thanks.